To book a hotel reservation, start by opening the app and navigating to the hotels option. From there, edit the search criteria according to your needs, such as the number of people, including children, and use the plus and minus buttons to adjust as necessary. Once you've entered your preferences, tap to proceed and select your desired location. The app will then prompt you to choose your dates, and the prices will be displayed in your local currency. The options will be color-coded, with the most expensive in red and the cheapest in green. After selecting your dates, you'll be presented with a list of recommended hotels, complete with amenities, ratings, and important information. You can review this information to find the best fit for your needs. When you've found a suitable option, tap to view the available rooms, and select the one that suits you. Be sure to check the cancellation policy, as some rooms may only be refundable under certain conditions. Once you've reviewed the details, tap the reserve option and decline any unnecessary add-ons. You'll then be asked to enter your details, which will be saved for future use. After saving your guest information, you can proceed to pay, choosing either a VIP or basic option. You'll need to add a payment method, which can be saved for future reservations. By following these steps, you can easily book a hotel reservation through the app.